Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Tinsley here. Can you guys believe that we are here in the last week of first grade? I cannot believe it. I'm so excited for all of you. You have worked so extremely hard this school year, and just congratulations to you. So, this last week of school is going to be very busy. You guys all have completed your Galileo assessment, so great job and thumbs up to you, and thank you for doing that. This last week, we will not have Tier 1 sessions. So I'm sending you some little things for you to work on throughout this week, those of you especially that have really enjoyed coming to those Tier 1 sessions. And those of you that have not, please utilize these ideas and tips and tricks also. Secondly, on Thursday, May 24th at 9 a.m. on your daily plan, you should see a link that says End of the Year Class Party. I would love to have all of you there. We're going to have some fun little games, different things to work on, getting some time to talk with your friends in the class, and then just kind of talking about all the fun things that we were able to do this year. So that will be on May 24th at 9 a.m. Look at your daily plans for that. Lastly, the last day of school is May 25th. So please make sure everything is entered by 5 p.m. on that day, attendance and progress. That will be very important for you guys to get those things completed at that time. End of the year is a busy time. So if you have any questions, your learning coaches have any questions, please feel free to reach out and let me know. So on your screen here, you see Raz Kids. I wanted to go over with you some different things that you guys can do over this week. So when you log in and you click on this reading room, you will see a lot of different varieties of books to choose from. I would like for everybody at least once or maybe twice this week to go in to Raz Kids and record for me a story. Not just any story. I want you to click down here where it says shared reading books. Click on there and then choose from one of the following books that you see. There's 3 different pages. You can pick any of those pages, and these are super fun stories. So I want you to click on 1 or 2 of these books and record them for me. You will get 50 stars for each story that you record. And I just want you to read them. You need to click the book though. Don't click on the headphones. Click on the book because that will give you the opportunity to read it for yourself. Okay? When you're done with those stories, you can email me and let me know that you've completed them. I will send you some more stars in Raz Kids if you've done that. Then the other thing in this email attachment, I'm going to attach some time tests. These are time tests for math. It's really important for first grade that we are remembering and practicing our time tests, addition and subtraction. So in this, there's 13 pages. There are several different time tests. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go down to the next page. Several different time tests for you to work on for adding and subtracting. So I would encourage you to work on these. I would like for you to do 1 a day. You can have your learning coaches time you for 2 minutes. If you feel like you could time yourself for 1 minute, give it a try. All right, but there's some adding and subtracting time tests in here. Okay, so this week, I would like for you to record 1 or 2 stories in Raz Kids and complete one of these time tests every day for the whole week. Okay, then on Thursday, come and join me at 9 a.m. For our end of the year class party for first grade. Okay, and then your last day of school is May 25th. Oh my goodness, so excited. So that's it for my video. If you guys have any questions, learning coaches, students, please feel free to email me, give me a call. But remember to go into the shared reading section for your Raz Kids stories. All right, you guys have a very good day and a good final week of first grade. Yay! Thanks, you guys.